I am Muhammad Abdur Rahman, MSc on Animal Nutrition, College of Agriculture, University of Sargodha. Today my topic is fumacin toxin. The mycotoxins is derived from myx meaning fungi and toxicon meaning poison. Mycotoxins are produced by fungi under certain conditions. They are not essential for fungal growth or reproduction and toxic to animal or humans. They are naturally present in feed and cannot always be avoided. Mycotoxins are a severe problem in animals, poultry and cattle feed industry. Toxins: aflatoxin, ochratoxin, zearalenone toxin, vomitoxin, fumacin toxin, ergotoxin. Mycotoxins commonly found in following ingredients: maize, peanut meal, cottonseed, wheat, barley, rice, sorghum, soybean meal, hay and silage. Fumacin, the most recently discovered group of mycotoxins. Occurrence: produced by the fungus Fusarium discovered by Sheldon, associated with previously known animal disease ELEM, equine leukoencephalomalacia, commonly called moldy corn poisoning, is a disease of horses, mules and donkeys. It is commonly associated with feeding of moldy corn over several days to weeks. PPE, porcine pulmonary edema. It is present in swine after outbreaks of a fatal disease in pigs. Types of fumacins: A1, A2, B1, B2, B3 and B4. A series are amide. An amide is a functional group containing a carbonyl group linked to a nitrogen atom or any compound containing the amide functional group. B series have a free amine, an organic compound derived from ammonia by replacement of one or more hydrogen atom by organic groups. Detected in corn, corn-based animal feed or human food. Strain of B1 fumacin, FB1 and FB2. Discovered in black oats from Brazil in some forages species in New Zealand. B1 is the most predominant molecular form. Chemical properties of fumacins: strongly polar compound, soluble in water, more soluble in alcoholic solvent, insoluble in organic solvent. Hydrolysis: heating with a 6 mole HCl produce tricarboxylic acid and corresponding amino polyol. Mechanism of action of fumacins: fumacins interfere with the biosynthesis of sphingolipids. FB1 are the backbone of sphingolipids. Sphingolipids contain a fatty acid, phosphate, choline, and sphingosine. Sphingolipids important for cell membrane integrity, intracellular communication, physical activity, nerve control. Mechanism of action of fumacins: sphingolipids found in brain and nerve tissues. Fumacins have a potent action against sphingolipids biosynthesis concentrations. Degenerations of nervous cells in due to inhibition of sphingolipids biosynthesis because of their high concentration in brain. Clinical size of fumacins: reduce feed intake, respiratory symptoms, oral diarrhea, fluid in lungs, abortion, reduced weight gain, mortality. Fumacin toxicity in poultry: FCM, Fusarium monofiliform. FCM, Fusarium monofiliform's culture materials used for the study of fumacins toxicity. Non-contaminated poultry rations is mixed with FCM in order to achieve desired mycotoxin concentrations. The culture material of FCM with the sterile corn analyzed for fumacins. This material then incorporated into the experimental diets. FCM as fumacin source: FCM incorporated in corn-based diet and fed to day-old chicks. Diet cause a high mortality of 80 to 100%. Few survivors lower their body weight up to 50 to 75%. Gross lesions appear as a symptom of toxicity. Effects of fumances: increase the weight but decrease the fat content of liver. Impaired function of the immune system. Body weight gain and feed conversion decrease linearly with increasing dietary fumancins. Liver, kidney and pancreas weight increase linearly with dietary fumancins, and spleen and heart weight decrease. Serum level increase the increasing fumancins concentration, while serum cholesterol, alkaline phosphate, mean cell volume and mean cell hemoglobin all decrease. Toxicity level in fumacin. Fumacin is toxic to growing chicks. Histologically, the liver of affected chicks had acute necrosis. Other lesions included mild villus atrophy in lower small intestine. All chicks fed FB1 had significantly higher serum free sphingosine level. Normal range of fumacin is less than 10 parts per million. Toxic level of fumacin is 20 to 175 parts per million. Techniques for estimation of toxins: mold culture and identification, microbiological culturing, microscopic test, chemical analysis, thin layer chromatography (TLC), enzyme linked immunosorbent assay ELISA, high pressure liquid chromatography HPLC, gas chromatography GC. Control: physical methods, biological method, chemical method. Physical methods: cleaning and separations, separation of effective particles in ingredients, remove broken kernels in the stored ingredients. Heating: reduce 40 to 60% of the toxins by heating. Ultraviolet rays: toxicity in was reduced by 80 to 100% after using gamma rays. Roasting: roasting may reduce mycotoxins by burning surface and removing volatile. Biological methods: microbiological microbial degradations, deoxidase enzyme can be used in degradations. Yeast strain is capable to remove toxin. Chemical methods: ammonia reduce FB1 in the range of 30 to 45%. Effective against aflatoxin and fumacins, effective corn and cottonseed. Chlorine dioxide. Chlorine dioxide gas was effective in reducing toxins on paper. Citric acid. Use of 1 normal citric acid reduced to fumacins in corn by 96 to 100%. Thank you.